Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about a traveler seat bottom out of an AA5, and it came in, customer was complaining it was a little loose. We examined it and we found we had a broken bracket, and the reason the bracket was broken was because they had an AA5 seat back on an AA5B seat bottom. Let's investigate that a bit more. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So we had a pilot seat that had the wrong back and the wrong seat bottom, and that's why the bracket was breaking. So first thing we had to do is we had to procure another AA5 pilot side seat bottom. Fletch air out, but we called a couple of people we know. We found one. Of course, it was in rough shape, so it had to be completely taken apart, straightened, re-riveted, missing ball bearings for the seat rails put back together. But again, it was all put back together, and then once it's all back together, then we have to make it look nice again. So that means cleaning all the plastic. In this particular case, the plastic was spray painted with flat black to match the rest of the interior, and all the metal pieces of the seat bottom were hit with zinc chromate primer so that the aluminum will never corrode, will never have any issues. We did both the top side and the bottom side. We made sure we put the proper amount of lubricant in there, and then became the problem of reassembling the seat, and that became quite simple, putting it all back together. And now with the correct bottom, it all matches correctly, it slides correctly, and we were able to reuse the seat back, which already had a leather interior on it, because we could have put a different seat back on there, but it would have had the wrong material on it. So here's how you repair, actually just change out and get the correct one. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this about the traveler seat bottom useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. So here are the cute kittens all being quiet on the sofa on this nice cold day. Thought you'd enjoy it, so take a look at these little beauties. They're 8 and 10 months old each.